Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use an online tool to resize your images to try and save on space on your Mahara portfolio. When you take pictures of when you're out at school or of your standards forms, etc., they're usually of a much higher resolution than they need to be. So this one's called picresize.com. There are many others, but this is one I find quite useful. If you're just doing the one picture, you can just click on Browse here. You see I've got these three pictures here. They're 2.7 meg, 2.4 meg, thereabouts. And while that doesn't sound like a lot, if you've got a lot of pictures on your page, you'll find yourself running out of space pretty quick. For example, if I go to the properties of this picture here and have a little look at the resolution, I see it's 2592 by 3872, and HD television is 1920 by 1080, which means that this picture would even be bigger, at higher resolution than a HD TV screen, and you'd have to zoom out to view it on that too. So it really doesn't need to be that high for Mahara. So if you just click on Open and then click on Continue, and you'll see in the corner that it's uploading. And obviously, depending on the size of your picture, the file size, it'll affect how long this takes. It should be done in a minute. Okay, it's uploaded. We're just waiting for the website. Okay, and now you can see there's a picture of the atrium. As I said before, it's width and height are those figures there. You have a few options here. You can crop. You can select and crop if you want. You can rotate it, you can flip it. What we're interested in mainly here is the resizing. Now I'm going to go quite drastic and make it 75% smaller. We'll be given an estimated final of 648 by 968, which is still plenty big enough. There are a few special effects you can choose, like if you want to try and make it look like an oil painting, I guess, and various other things, but obviously we're more interested in the resizing. And you can choose different image formats, but JPEG's fine. When you've finished, made all the settings you want, if you just click I'm done and resize my picture, it didn't take very long at all. And now it shows me that the old file, while being just over 2.7 meg, the new file is 128K, which is much less than 1 megabyte, and you'll be able to fit way more of these on. And if I click on View Your Image here, and it'll just upload in the corner there. Right. Now that's the image of the size, and as you can see, it's perfectly visible. There's no real loss in detail, and it's more than adequate for your Mahara portfolio. So you've saved yourself a lot of space there to begin with. But one reason I like this one is it actually allows you to do battery sizing. So if I click back on Home, there's an option down here that says Multiple Pics. You click on that, and then click on here where it says Add Files. I'm going to add all three of these. Open that. It says they're ready for upload, and you just click on Upload. Obviously, again, the speed of this depends on the size of the photos, the size of your the speed of your internet connection, etc., etc. Here on the campus, you can see it's going pretty quick. Still got that last one to do. I mean, obviously, if you've got a lot of pictures, you could go away, leave this, come back, and it'll upload it all for you. Okay, so now they're ready to be sized. I'm going to go with the same rules, 75% smaller. So again, you choose which format you want to save as. You can choose custom sizes if you wish. Set the width and it'll automatically register height, or you can resize it. That might distort the image. Then click on battery size. Two of three. All pictures have been resized. Zipping. So then you just click on the download. Give that a second. Let me just bring that over here. So I have these three images. They're 239K, 133K, 1.4K. And when we compare that to what they were originally, let's just bring them up. Let's put the details on, shall we? That's 2.7, 2.7, 2.4. So there's significant size saving. And as I said, the pictures that they open up are perfectly fine. Okay, So that's how you do that. There are other tools, and we can put links to others if people find problems with these ones. But this is one I recommend. I think it's particularly user friendly. Thank you.